In one of my videos that I did recently, not very recently, I did mention I was going to do this particular video. I said I was going to share some of the things that I took, some of the things that I'm taking. Like, guys, it's been long. I've never come like in front of the camera. Most of the videos I'm doing like I'm always behind the camera. Today I want you to look at me eyeball to eyeball, like because, like, guys, this video is very serious, and this video, like, I'm not joking. That is why I want you to look at me eyeball to eyeball while I do this video. I'm doing this for my divas, for my fans, for my followers, for anybody who will be coming across my channel. I found it very, very important for me to share with you what I was taking before I got pregnant, all the spices I was taking, all the things, how I incorporated them in my meals. I'm going to show you now, just to let you know, I'm going to show you everything today. I don't know whether you have them or you don't have them. The ones that you can lay your hands on, start taking them. The ones that you cannot lay your hands on, just relax. You can get them fine. If you cannot get them fine, like, you don't have to take everything that I told, but I'll show you if it's possible that you can get all the items. Guys, go ahead and get all the items and start taking, because guys, as I'm doing this video, it is very, 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 like, this video, guys, this is the things that I took. I started taking them even before I got pregnant, and today it's just about the spices in your kitchen, the things that I used to cook in my food, and other stuff. But video. Hi, my name is Gilly. How you guys doing? Because I'm doing great. I'm doing great myself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, you're definitely welcome to my channel. Do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. Of course, it's right down below this video in red, and make sure to turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you so much. So anyways, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You guys, I'm already in my kitchen, so let's do this. Let me show you all the spices and how I have been taking them. I want to start with this one right here. This one has a very strong smell. We call this Calabash. It's not Calabash nutmeg. We call this what is this spice is called again? We call this country onion, because, guys, I'm a Cameroonian, right? So in Cameroon we call it country onions. In Nigeria, I don't know, but the scientific name, or I don't also know the scientific name. I'm going to Google it. Maybe I'm going to leave the list in the link in the description box of all the spices. This particular one, when I'm cooking my beans, I use about 2. I have to grind it, right? You have to grind it. This is how it looks like. This country onions. When I'm cooking my beans, I'm cooking anything porridge. If I'm cooking eggplant cocoa, I put it inside. If I'm cooking tunning cocoyam, I put it inside. Especially beans, because I cook beans like all the time. I always put it inside my beans. It is very nutritious. It will help with your overall fertility. This is a great spice. If you can lay your hands on country onions, start taking them. This is, like, I have it. Look at the bucket I have. And let me show you guys one thing. And this is it again, the powdered form, grind. This one is already, like, look at the way I use it, and this one I have here. Okay, so if you can lay your hands on this one, you can actually start using it. This is called country onions, guys. And then for the next spice, I always use it on my videos, most of my videos. This is it. This is called how is it called? Negro Pepper, right? Nigerians, they call it Uda. We use it in Cameroon as well to cook pepper soup and all that. Okay, it's like this. This is the container. This Uda, guys, I use it in, like, if I want to cook a goosey soup, I put it in my meat before I start boiling. I'll just put a few pieces, about like this, or 6 or 7 like that. I always put it inside my meat. If you want to cook egusi soup, if you want to cook okra soup, if you want to cook cocoyam soup, if you want to cook achi soup, you know, I always use it in my food. And when I'm eating the food, whenever I come across it, I make sure I chew all of it and swallow. I chew all of it, alright? I always make sure I don't give to my husband. It's not good for men, okay? It's not good for men to eat it all the time. So when I put it in the food, I make sure I eat all of it. This is what I use it all the time, guys. So if you can have that spice, it will be so good. And this one is called ginseng. Oh my god, this spice is good for fertility. Of course, we all know what this UTERUS does. It's a very good spice for fertility. It will cleanse your entire, it will cleanse your womb. I mean, your womb, your uterus. I mean, like if you really have fibroid, it's going to help you, like it will just clean that, make that place to be like so clean, you know. And it's going to help you overall fertility. Overall fertility is very good. And this is ginseng. Oh my god, this is like a thickener, guys. These spices smell amazing. And then you can use it. I use it in my stew, I use it in my bumbo choppy, I use it like if I want to do my fish, barbecue fish, anything fish, I use the spices. This is very good for fertility, guys. Look at, I have like a whole container of it, guys. Don't even ask me where all these things they came from Cameroon, okay? So yeah, my sister sent them to me through a friend who was coming here. So they came from Cameroon. And this one right here, it's already cut into small pieces. This is AIDEN fruit that has been cut into pieces. When I send it to me, they'll have to dry it, cut it like this and send it to me. So I'm going to put a picture of AIDEN fruit. You can see it. I use AIDEN fruit. If I want to do my pepper soup, I want to cook my food, I put AIDEN fruit inside. Like, these are the spices that I'm using, that I use, that help me to get pregnant, guys. So if you can use it, fine. And of course, you need to have your turmeric. You need to have turmeric. Okay, this is my turmeric. For the turmeric, I used to cook chicken, like chicken turmeric sauce, the chicken with the turmeric and all that. And sometimes I put turmeric rice. But most of the time, what I do, I'll just boil water, warm water, and I put in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, stir it and drink it, you know, because I don't use turmeric a lot for most of the food I'm cooking. So once in a while, I'll just do warm water, put in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I drink it. All right. And of course, this is cloves, guys. This is cloves. This is how cloves look like. This is cloves. This cloves right here, I always use my cloves tea. Like, I'll just put warm water, throw in about 5 pieces of cloves, and then I drink it and make sure I chew the cloves. First thing in the morning, last thing at night. It's good for overall fertility. It's good for weight loss. I mean, it's good for, it boosts your ovulation. It's going to do, like, it does a lot in your body. And what more? Yeah, this is cinnamon. I have ground powder cinnamon here with me. Cinnamon, I also do the cinnamon tea. I do 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon at night. Sometimes I'll just decide 1 week I'll just be on cinnamon to do cinnamon tea. All right, so yeah, I have cinnamon here. So if you can have cinnamon, just make sure you're taking all of these things. Make sure you're taking them, if not all of them, some of it every day, guys. It's going to help you, trust me. I've used this thing. That's what I decided to share with you guys, because if I didn't use it, I'll not come and tell you guys, look, it works. Like, I'm really serious. That's why I want you to be looking at me when I'm talking, like, seriously. And again, guys, if you're someone that don't like anything, eating something spicy, like, guys, you need to start eating pepper. You like pepper, like chili, alright? It can be any pepper, Cameroon pepper, anything pepper. Make sure your food is spicy. You don't have to be spicy, hot. But I mean, eat pepper. Like, when you're eating, you feel like there's pepper in this food. It will help with your overall, but it boosts your immunity. It's going to help for fertility. It will help with your womb. Like, pepper is good. If you're not putting pepper in your food, seriously, I'm not saying just small. I mean, you have to feel this pepper, but not very hot, okay? Pepper, guys, pepper, chili. And another thing I'm not showing you guys, I don't know how to call this one. I think it's Calabash nutmeg. This is how it looks like. Alright, It is called Calabash nutmeg. I put this one in my this Calabash nutmeg. I put it in my stew. Guys, don't even joke. Like anything that's going to work in my body, I put it in my stew. I put it in my okra soup. Guys, I put this one in my okra soup. This Calabash nutmeg. If I do like nkwobi, if I'm doing fish barbecue, if I want to do fried fish, if I want to do my pepper sauce, I put it inside. Okay. Anyway, sorry guys, my daughter was actually screaming. She just woke up. So I put it in my food. It is very good. If you have not been taking this, guys, make sure you have it. Start taking it. It is amazing. And guys, there's one thing that I cannot even joke with. Like, even if I don't have all these things from Africa, guys, this particular one, ginger and garlic. If I don't put this thing in my food, what I gain? If I don't put ginger and garlic in my food, what I gain? What I gain? With all the sickness, apart from fertility, coronavirus is there, malaria is there, typhoid, everything, sicknesses. These two, it will just immune, it will cure, it will treat, it will. Are you kidding me? Ginger and garlic. If you're somebody, I know a lot of people will say garlic have a pungent smell. Ginger is manageable. Garlic have a pungent smell, and let me tell you guys the truth. Whenever you use ginger, right? Sometimes, like when you eat it, you can just smell garlic the whole day. Might as well be like, you just ate garlic today. And the first thing that I don't smell it on him, they always perceive it on my body. Like, do you eat garlic today? I'm like, all of us ate garlic, not me. The food I prepared there was garlic inside, but he will always perceive it on my body. Like, of course, you will have that pungent smell, but the benefits are amazing. Just substitute the smell for the benefits, you know what I mean? Just substitute the smell for the. Just imagine like what you beginning with after you eat this garlic and ginger. These two things. A lot. I know in Cameroon, for us in Cameroon, we always use garlic and ginger to prepare for the Nigerians. I know a lot of Nigerians who don't use garlic and ginger, so I don't know if you're using it. If you're not using it, if you can, start using it to prepare your food. It is very helpful, very, very, very beneficial. I tell you the truth, it's going to help with overall fertility and all the stuff. Yes, and then what is remaining again? I didn't show you guys this one. Of course, we all know this one. This Ogbono. Ogbono is very good. Like, guys, it's going to help with overall fertility. This is how Ogbono looks like. Ogbono is very, 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 very good, guys. Like, you need to start using Ogbono if you're not using Ogbono to cook your food. Let me tell you a short story. I'm not someone who loves Ogbono. I don't like the fact that it's very dry. Like, I don't like Ogbono, but once I know, when I started studying about Ogbono, I know the benefits that it has with fertility, I started taking it. And of course, another food I would tell you to start taking, if you don't like it, is lady's finger, okra. Start eating. Okra is a powerful fertility vegetable. Trust me or not, start eating okra. I'm not an okra fan, but because my husband he loves okra a lot, and I cook okra. Like, I cannot pass a week without having okra in my house. Like, okra is our staple food, staple meal in the house. Start eating okra. Start eating okra. Trust me, guys. Trust me. And I'm looking all over my kitchen. I'm still thinking, like, what spice am I missing? I'm just thinking, like, what spice am I missing? Because, guys, they're amazing. All the spices are what I'm using, and I decided to share it with you guys. And I also have one of my friends that were actually talking, and I was telling her that all these things I use in my. She was like, how do you even use these things? She has these things at home for years. She has never used them. I was like, girl, are you kidding me? start using it in your food. So she was like, how? I was like, you can use it in your prepare your meal, put it in your pepper soup, put it in your egusi, just go crazy. And one of my friends also, I was talking with her the other day, and I told her that I put uda in my egusi soup. I was okay, uda, I put uda. She was like, girl, is that pepper soup egusi? What are you doing? I was like, girl, it's not pepper soup egusi. I'm using just the uda. Okay, she was like, how do you like, you putting pepper soup things in your egusi? How does that taste? And it tastes amazing. Go ahead and try it. It doesn't change the taste of the food. Trust me, it doesn't change the taste of the food. It tastes amazing. Just that you just have the benefit and make sure you chew the uda, chew everything. Another spices that I don't have here that I use, it is oziza, the small seed. Oh my god, whenever I use uda, I use oziza in boiling my meat, to cook my food, to cook my egusi, cook my okra, cook cocoyam, cook. Let me show you guys another spice that I use that is good for fertility, guys. It's amazing. This is a Nigerian spice, Cameroon. I've never seen it in Cameroon. Even when I told my sister to go and look for it in the market, buy it and send to me, she said she couldn't find it. So I don't think that we have it in Cameroon. But if you're Cameroonian and you're watching this video, oh, the bad thing is that it's in powder form. But I can put the picture up later. Let me show you guys. Oh yeah, this is the powder form. This is what I have here. This is achi. This is the powder form. The name is written there, achi. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I used, oh my god, I remember my sister-in-law sent me this thing from Nigeria. Oh my god, like it was like this in a big wrapper like this. I ate it for about 2 years, and since then I've been buying it like this from the African store. This one is 5 3. You can cook a pot of soup. It's like a thickener. It's mainly used for soup. Sometimes I use my egusi and this achi to cook how do you call it, to cook this soup. How do you call this soup? The soup they cook with not ugu leaf, otazi, not otazi. I forgot it, guys. I forgot it. I'll put the name if I remember. I use it. I put egusi and I put this achi. Sometimes I just put the achi. It's like you can use it in the place of cocoyam. If you want to cook cocoyam soup, you can actually use it as a thickener. It is amazing. It's a great fertility. Like, it's a great fertility food. It's going to boost your overall fertility. Trust me, guys. Trust me. So if you're anywhere, if you're any part in the world, if you're mostly in West Africa, good for you, you can get all these things. If you're in countries where you can get these things, some countries you can get them on Amazon, wherever you can get them on Amazon. Some places I don't know how you can find it, but like I said, sorry, I have a dry throat. Like I said before, like, make sure you don't have to get everything that I'm showing you in this video. If you can get some of the things, good. If you can get all of it, great. If you cannot get all of it, amazing. It's still good. Just get what you can, or start using. Go into your kitchen, look for the things I've shown you. If you have them, start using. I have friends who have these things in their kitchen for 2 years. They don't even know what to do with it. Seriously, I was like, girl, are you kidding me? That is like that. You have a lifesaver on your shelf. Start using it like right now. She was like, girl, I'm going to cook it like right now. I'm like, yes, you go and cook it right now and start cooking. Like, are you kidding me? Are you serious? What the hell is this? You know, so yeah, I decided to come and share with you guys. Please, 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 all these things, they have amazing benefit. I'm repeating myself, amazing benefit. If you have any questions about the spice I just showed you, drop it down in the comment section down below this video, and I'll get right back at you. And I feel I've come to the end of this video. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. If you think that this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share this video. Share this. Knowledge is power. There's nothing that is stupid or not. I mean, you can feel like ordinary things. Not a lot of people don't know these things, so make sure you share. And as this, God bless you. I'll share you in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.